The first three bottling standards have been implemented by the Bahamas Bureau Standards and Quality Committee, which will officially launch this Friday. Ministry of Financial Services officials say these new standards will revolutionize the industry.
The Minister of Financial Services updated our LaDon Davis on its implementation.
Local producers and manufacturers now have to comply to 3 national standards that will be used to facilitate trade of locally made and used goods. The standards are specification of packaged water, code hygiene practices, and code of practice of general principles of food hygiene. The standards came into effect on July 1st. Minister of Financial Services, the Honorable Hope Strawn, says these standards will boost the economy, promote the production of goods, and will ensure the country complies with regional and international treaties. She says this milestone is one consumers should be proud of.
You are a consumer of goods, and we all are. I think we all want to be satisfied that the goods that we purchase, the goods that we consume are of a good, high quality and standard. And so this is what the initiative and the aim and objective of the Bureau of Standards is. The same applies for standards as it relates to the services which we as consumers also use.
Minister Strawn says dozens of local producers gave their feedback on the new standards and were given a phase-out period of some 3 months. Several weeks ago, she led a delegation to Jamaica to receive advice and hands-on experience on ways to improve our standards.
We were able to see it at work. We were able to see how they integrate all of the factors as it relates to standards. We were able to actually see how the manufacturing side of it works and the labeling and the processing of the particular products. And for instance, we went to a company that produces rum and wines and those kinds of things. And we were able to see the process of how they ensure that that product, when it reaches the market, is of such standard that it would never be rejected by any country anywhere.
Meanwhile, Strawn says officers of the Bureau and the Price Control Commission will be out in full force with daily inspections to ensure all vendors are in compliance.
And the length of the inspections for the producers are something that's going to have to be coordinated with the various ministries that I said have enforcement powers, which would be the Ministry of Agriculture and the Ministry of the Environment.
LaDon Davis, ZNS Network News.